Alright, welcome back to Alex's Evening Trading. Gotta make it quick till I gotta start cooking my fiance some pasta sides for food before we go grocery shopping tonight because she's hungry and on the way home from work. So it's gonna be somewhat of a speed round today. Alright, so we were looking at this on the Euro. We've got, I see the purple line, I can come back to it. Close 1091, and the low was also 1091, so that's the same. Just put this there. Was this like a really small zone, wasn't it? Yeah, the 4-pointer. Yeah, it's just not gonna work on that one. Alright, moving on to the pound. Oops, damn it. I was a tab too many times. Alright, let's see if I can get this done in 15 minutes. And done well. I want to do it well before I do it done fast, I guess is the goal here. So we did get the pound earlier, closed above the breakout area here. So go into the hour. 10 points. So 1 to 2 or 3 here. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. There's the profit target, and something like that will do. Make the lines the correct colors. Okay. It's 12 to 33, so almost 1 to 3. So we gotta do the inside green ones because that's where I put these for the target. So here we go. 6, 2, 8. Profit target 1, 1, 3, 2. So 83, 4 minus 8. 83 minus 8. 75. 75 and 84. Okay, and bam. That's it. Move this over, bring up. It's just what I gotta fill out here. December. Good. Standard long. Pound from before is what? Yeah, that was never. Oh yeah, it was a standard long, I suppose, wasn't it? we go. And that's our pound trade right there. Right there. Now that we're coming in high on the curve here, we're not even going to look for retracement into anything in here. It started back here, price came up, so we're not even looking for trades until it turns around. We'll be safe, preserve that capital, as they say. Same thing with the New Zealand, the CAD. Yep, just going to wait for this to show some strength. See, after this point, though, it would have been good to, if you could get a short, take the short. They came back low on the curve. So I'm going to put that rule in on my trading. I want to start winning trades again because losing sucks. I know I keep saying that, but it's because it does. It's no fun. As many of you know, that is the case. Losing trades sucks. So look at that yen trailer. It finally worked out. Let's see if it would have actually worked out. No, see, you'd have to put your stop way up there. And then you'd still be in it. So I'm going to delete this. That's okay, though. You get that on your bigger jobs, as my friend says. Yo. So same thing here. We're going to look for price to close below here. Look for price to close below there if it comes down, or to make turn around again. I mean, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th touch, so might even break through this area of higher time frame supply. So yeah. Next, Euro Yen. Still good to go. What time does this candle close? Oh, it opened at 3. The next one's at 7, so in a half hour we'll find out if we're gonna make more boxes. But I'll probably be done for the night. Gotta go grocery shopping stuff with the woman. So okay, look at that. What's this? What do we have here? Bam, bam. What if we're gonna have enough points here? Well, 10, 12. We could pull that off. 12 to 47. 1 to 4. That's a good one. Something like that for now. And then we'll do the 2 inside ones. Sub 77 and 86. There we go. I mean, we've got a solid close above. There's no reason I don't see to not take this trade. We came into daily demand. We're low on the curve. The trend is up, according to the way at least that I read the trend. So there we go. Let's get our nice little picture here. We're at 5. I'm probably 10 more minutes actually. We're about halfway through, so we should be able to crush it. Just crush it. on him. So that's still good. And bam, we're back. Now we're halfway. This is the halfway mark. Look at that Aussie yen traded through. Some people leave this like it's still good. I don't. That's just me because I'm like, yeah, it traded through. It could actually probably. When you see these wicks, it's probably actually better to just mark that as the zone. But I don't know. We're just gonna pick something else here. So we're gonna go up to here because this broke this. So this is gonna be the area of supply here. Alright, we do have a retest there. It's not fresh, but it's only one test, and look at what it did. Just fell away, and it didn't even go halfway through the zone. So we'll just move it up though, just to take the bottom of the body there. And bang, look at that. We will be looking that it closes above here by tomorrow though too, and then we can move up our demand and take that. But it looks like longs are good to go now. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we can find, Here we go. We do have this. Nice little opportunity there. And that's about it. Honestly, though, I feel like putting because that's low. Just don't want to let me know that I need to make woman some food. There you go. I'm just gonna do that because I did close here, but this is lower, so it just looks better, and I can see everything kind of a little better. I feel like putting a stop below here would be the way to go if I'm gonna take this though. Just so it's under the. I mean, would be nice to go, but then you just be a support and resistance trader and take the whole freaking area here. One right here, because this is kind of just like one big area. Well, I'm gonna take it because you got your leg in, your base, and then your leg out. So I'm gonna set this up, make sure it's good. 10. Ooh, just barely, not enough room. But if you do the trick, 19.5. No, still not good enough. So I'm just gonna leave this one, put the purple lines on it, and then go to the next trade here. You could take it. I just want 10 points of risk at least. That's all. It's just kind of you know how I feel. I think I've said this before. Look at that. See, example of the CAD yen uptrend. We didn't take this trade because of that. So good decision. And it came into the higher. I mean, it came into the higher time frame spot. It doesn't have anything to do with this one though. So yeah, made a good decision, not going against the trend. So just same story. Just waiting. Go ahead and kill some of these lines. You're okay. So I'm still waiting. Why don't we take this one? What? Oh, that's right. We were gonna set it up right here, but we couldn't because it's too small, right, or something. We can take this. I'm gonna put a yellow box here, though, because I like it. It looks better like that. we can't take this because by the time it gets to, well, it's already 2 breakouts away too. That's kind of the rule there. Check. 9-5. Like there, say. And there we go. We can take this. I think we were just waiting for it to do its thing earlier. 14, so that'll be 141, 130, yeah, 131, and then, so 131 and 14. 8. And there we go. Yeah, so we're gonna take this little rally base drop because it did touch like the base of this, so just make it all one level. I think that's a good idea. Log this bad boy. Since these are 2 combined kind of zones, I'm just going to say standard long. Because the first one will be the standard long, and I'm just put my stop above like the breakout. So Alright, so on there too, so if this comes in and comes into low on the curve here, before it hits the zone, then bam, it's canceled. Like that's the rule, we cancel the trade, it's low on the curve now, and now we gotta wait for it to, like, price to turn around. So yeah, so just be aware if that comes in low on the curve. This is my daily demand zone here that I've got. I guess I could have done this too, so it would be like low on the curve as of now because we did get the close above. But it is pretty messy. So this is what I chose for my demand zone on the daily. We'll see what happens. Okay, but if it does come low on the curve before price gets back up there, it is a no-go. Alright, so I'm going to try and see if I can pause the recording. So I gotta go make fiance some dinner. Yep, here we go. Alright, there we go. I learned how to pause it, and now we're back. But made the fiance these pasta side things that she likes. We gotta go grocery shopping tonight though, because we do a little bit of meal prepping. Well, I do. I cook it and then like we both eat it. If she remembers to take stuff to work. But that's neither here nor there really. So alright, so here's the Euro Aussie. Nothing really happened, we just gotta wait here. Here in New Zealand, Yep, just came down into higher time frame supply and low on the curve. Low on the curve is usually first, but so there we go. Nothing really there. Gotta wait, see what happens. Euro pound. Same thing. We do have the potential opportunity up here. We're looking at probably end up being something more like that, I think, if we decide to take this. But let's see, 30, 17, 30. I don't know. We're gonna be taking it. So yeah. If it does work out, we can always just wait for the next, up the breakout of this actually. So there we go. There's that. Okay. Next is Euro franc. Now we have 1 minute, so I'm just gonna la-di-da, dee-da, and just wait for this candle to close. Okay, there we go. It closed. And it did not close. 887 is the same as 887. So it closed the same as the low of the previous candle. So it's going to stay green. And yeah, not really a whole lot. Just not closing. Maybe wants to push higher. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Awesome CAD. That. Get ourselves a green box. Alright, hopefully we get a nice move away. And there's just some good supply zones here in the trading time frame that we can take. Just pushing lower. Pound Aussie trade we had set up earlier. Hopefully it hits and just takes off like a rocket and we can make some $1 million on this bad boy. Because if you look here, like, this is a pretty good entry down into like this daily area here. So I mean, it could push up. Plus, I mean, where I've got my curve, it's got a long ways to go before it like completely fails here. Plus, if you look at it here on the daily chart too, what is it? Ray, something like that. So it's bouncing off the trend line. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll be the 6th touch. Might fail, might work. Who knows? But yeah, like, it does have ways to come back up, and even if it's not going to go to the moon, like, it can still, I mean, to pull back, it's got room to pull back, so maybe we can catch some moves on here. But there's the Pound Aussie. Pound CAD, it did come into this area here. I don't think we took this because it wasn't enough profit potential, so 30 points. Yeah, there just wasn't enough room there for me to take it, at least. You took it, that's one thing. There we go. You can even take this again, even though it's been essentially used up. It did, depending on what your rules are. Plus you tighten up the risk a little bit here. You got like 20 points and 32. That's still, well, 40. There we go. You take that if you want. I'm not going to. It's already used up. Otherwise, this would be a pretty good standard range long trade. Look at this. Is this not good enough or something? 26, 53. Why would I not take this? I think this was it. It's this 27.37. 27.37. So this was actually close below. That's why I'm not taking it. That's right. Then we got our just for fun entries on here that it has not hit yet. We do got the close below, so we get this bad boy gets a red box now. So maybe we'll have a breakout here, get some nice demand going on there. Maybe something like this. But yeah, we'll see. So we just got that, I think the pound trade set up. Hopefully we can get a nice little bounce out of there. Wait for that, but yeah, so that's what we're looking at. Like I said, if you have any questions, like the video, just post it in the comments, and I will get to it. I do keep an eye on my Facebook, so these are also on YouTube. And then before I go here, here's my trades that I've got so far. There's 2 losses on the week, lots of no entries from earlier in the week, and then 9 to 16. So we got 7 trades out there waiting until tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll just close out everything and I'll show you what that looks like for me, because I stop all my trades, and then I'll write in my trading journal or something. I don't know if I'll show you that, but I got to make another one of these. So do that about 3:30 in the afternoon tomorrow. But we'll see you later and have a great day.